Hey guys, Nick Atkinson here, and welcome to a brand new channel. It feels so weird not to call myself Nicky J. If you know, you know. I wanted to create this channel and dedicate it to learn mechanical stuff and kind of just be a tribute to all the channels that I used to watch as a little kid, like Engineering, Mark Rober, Stuff Made Here, and kind of piggyback off of their videos, but also learn things on my own. And then document it for you guys. And my eventual goal is I want to build an NHRL combat robot, but I have no experience doing any of that or the materials to do it. So this is going to be documenting my journey on how I get there. Well, I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. The first step is I just bought a 3D printer, so let's go inside and unbox that. And then next episode, I'm going to be learning how to use Onshape, which is a 3D CAD software, and trying to make my own 3D prints. Right now, I just want to make something. I'll probably just use whatever the test print that they made. I don't remember the name of the printer. It's like the Creality Ender, or not the Creality Ender 3. It's like the, I don't remember. I'll put the name on screen because I genuinely don't remember, but let's cut to a 20-second build montage of me putting together a 3D printer. So, editor Nick here, and I was filming the montage on my phone, and I went to go pull the file, and I realized my phone ran out of storage. So, I don't have a montage to show you guys, so you'll just have to believe me when I built it, so yippee. Okay, now we're over on the desktop, and I am trying to download the software. I'm assuming this is what I need. Once this downloads, we're going to make a little test cube, just to make sure everything is working right, and I'm super excited for all the cool things that I'm gonna make on this channel. So it is scanning for my printer. So this is future Nick Atkinson, and I had to do some troubleshooting because I couldn't get it to work on the software. I don't know why it would not connect, so I decided to use an SD card, but apparently the file format that I was using on my SD card didn't work, so I had to transform and do that. It's a whole big mess. I'm just fast forwarding it through it all because I don't want to bore you with all the details. But I found a file for a 3D cube on Thingiverse. I'm getting ready to go send that to my printer, and we're gonna make something. I'm super excited. Alright, chat, I just moved my printer into the other room because it was getting really hot in my room with it running, but I couldn't get the files to format correctly, so I fixed that, and I'm printing a little cube as you saw on my desktop. It just did like the bed leveling stuff and formatting, and it should, as you can tell down here, it's heating up the nozzle by that little number, and it should start printing once it hits 190. I'm genuinely super excited for all the potential this is going to bring. I gotta get a couple more things before I can really start making things, but it should be getting close. Moving. It's doing it, chat. So I don't think that's right, but I don't think there's 26 seconds remaining. But I'm just gonna stare at this, and I will put the recording back on whenever it's done. Chat, I just pulled the cube off of the 3D printer. We made a thing. I just dropped it. It's got a little bit of an issue, like right here. I don't know how much you can tell from where, like, I don't know. It needs, like, sanding off. But this is the first part we've ever made on this channel. So many more cool things to come. I've tons of ideas on things I want to make. I feel like a little kid. I don't know how to describe this feeling, but I can't wait to keep making cool stuff. I know it's just a cube, but it's the start of something great. Next episode, there's a hold on, there's a mosquito. I just killed a mosquito. Hang on. Sorry, chat. Next episode, I want to dive into learning Onshape, and I want to make my own things. I want to try to make gears, because that unlocks a lot of stuff, is being able to make gears, because then we can make things turn. This is a brand new channel, so any support, any engagement helps so much. Make sure you subscribe, because it's a brand new channel. I'm starting with nothing, but that's all great things start. Hit the like button, leave a comment what I should make if you have any ideas. I have a bunch of ideas myself, but I will happily take other people's input. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. I don't know what my upload schedule is going to be like yet, because I'm still figuring things out. I'm not going to try to rush my videos. I want to try to make as high quality things as I can. So if that means there's going to be less videos, that means there's less videos. So super excited, guys. I can't wait to keep making cool stuff. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.